Today we are going to find the factors of a polynomial function using the factor theorem. So let's say we have the function f of x equals x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. When we have a cubic function like this, the best way to find the first factor is by plugging numbers like 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, 3, -3, and so on into the function and see if we get a 0. This is exactly what the factor theorem states. It states that if and only if f of a number equals 0, then x minus that number is a factor of f of x. Let's start with plugging in 0. F of 0 equals 0 cubed plus 6 times 0 squared plus 11 times 0 plus 6. 0 cubed is 0, 0 squared is 0, times 6 is 0, and 11 times 0 is 0. So what's left over is 6. Let's try 1. F of 1 equals 1 cubed plus 6 times 1 squared plus 11 times 1 plus 6. 1 cubed is 1. 1 squared is 1 times 6 is 6. 11 times 1 is 11. And we keep the 6. 12 plus 12 is 24. Let's try -1. F of -1 equals -1 cubed plus 6 times -1 squared plus 11 times -1 plus 6. -1 cubed is -1. -1 squared is 1 times 6 is 6. 11 times -1 is -11. And we keep the 6. -12 plus 12 equals 0. So f of -1 is 0, which is what we wanted. So now, because of the factor theorem, we know if and only if f of -1 equals 0, x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. How cool is that? The hard work is done. Now it's easy to reduce the cubic function into a quadratic function to find the other factors. Finding the factors from a quadratic function shouldn't be a problem. So let's reduce the cubic function to a quadratic function by dividing the cubic function by x plus 1 using synthetic division. The coefficient of x cubed is 1, so we start with 1. The coefficient of 6x squared is 6, so the next number is going to be 6. Then 11 and then 6. The number which belongs in the left upper corner is -1. Feel free to pause the video and try this on your own. This is a good exercise. Bring down the 1. 1 times -1 is -1. 6 plus -1 is 5. 5 times -1 is -5. 11 plus -5 is 6. 6 times -1 is -6. And 6 plus -6 is 0. So we get x squared plus 5x plus 6. Factoring quadratic functions is simple. Two times 3 equals 6. and 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. So x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals x plus 1 in parentheses times x plus 2 in parentheses times x plus 3 in parentheses. And we are done with factoring using the factor theorem. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning everyone.